How to fix access not available on TikTok Live Studio. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see what are the problems behind it. So there are some conditions that you need to fulfill in order to get the TikTok Live access of the Live Studio, and the conditions are different for different type of creators. If you are a gaming creator in US or outside US, you would be requiring at least 1000 followers. But if you are a non-gaming creator, then you would be requiring at least 10,000 followers. So make sure that you fulfill all the criteria before applying for the TikTok Live Studio. And also there are certain conditions for the going live as well, like you must be 18 years of age or older, and in some countries the age might be different. So in order to go live you would be requiring 1000 followers, but there are some conditions for non-gaming streamers, and which is that you would be requiring at least 10,000 followers after you reach this certain criteria or the eligibility criteria, and after that you can just simply apply for it for the Live Studio. Over here I will be providing the link in the description. You can download it, and here you can also apply for the Live TikTok Studio. There are some conditions where due to security reasons the access is denied, and for that you can simply contact the support of TikTok Live, and I will be providing all the links in the description, so you just have to click and check them out. And this is how you would be able to solve this problem. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.